everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Dynokids. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. So today's video will be on how to improve concentration of our kids. So before starting the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates on our upcoming videos. So for this, I have prepared this worksheet as you could see, and in this I have drawn these images which looks identical, but every image is different in some way. So to start this, you also have to make these cards which are of the same as on the paper. These are the same images drawn. So let's see how to do this activity. So for this, if I take this card, so the child have to find the same image on the paper. So he will find where the same image. So it's look like the same image. So the child will put it here like this. Again, if we take this one, then he will find the same image. As these are more identical and there are very less difference between them, so this activity will really help the child to enhance his concentration. He have to concentrate that which image is matching where. So if we see this image, then he will find where this image will go, and this will come here. So like this, child will complete this worksheet. When I have given this worksheet to Amish, I thought that it would be tougher for him, but he really enjoyed these activities, these images, and he did very well for this. So now let's see how he's performing this activity. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.